Guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I'll just drop the kids in school today. Her class is 12 to 5. Half day. She has tutor 12 to 1, tapos 1 to 5 tapos. Always in class for 12 to 1. Like this time, the wind is hot. A while ago, it's cloudy, but now, very hot the wind. Cut my hair short in front of me. I cannot put it together my hair in the back. See? Very hot the wind.